In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split payment on Shopify, a valuable tool for those who want flexibility in their online transactions. Splitting payments can come in handy in various scenarios, whether you're collaborating with partners, managing budgets, or offering customers more options. First, let's dive into why you might need to split a payment in the first place. Perhaps you're running a store with multiple collaborators, or maybe you're managing funds across different departments. Splitting payments allows for fair distribution and transparent financial management. On the customer side, offering split payments enhances customer experience by providing more flexibility. With that context in mind, let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is open your Shopify admin panel. Once there, you'll navigate to the App section. This is where you can find various tools and plugins that enhance your store's functionality. If you don't have a payment splitting app installed yet, you'll need to go ahead and find one. A recommended option is the Half and Half Payment app or other similar apps available in the Shopify App Store. Choose one that fits your store's needs and install it. Make sure to follow the integration instructions carefully during installation, as each app may have specific guidelines. Now that your app is installed, open it up to begin configuration. At this point, it's crucial to check the app's compatibility with your existing payment gateways. In some cases, you may need to enable specific settings within your payment provider's settings to ensure everything works smoothly. Most apps will provide step-by-step guidance or FAQs to assist you. After confirming compatibility, you'll need to set the parameters for how payments can be split. For instance, decide whether you want equal splits or if you prefer a custom ratio depending on different factors. Input these preferences in the app settings, ensuring they're clear and accessible for future changes if necessary. Next, it's time to test your setup. Go to your store and simulate a purchase to see if the split payment instructions appear as intended. Don't skip this step. Testing is vital to ensure that everything works correctly and provides a smooth customer experience. Double-check the payment confirmations to make sure funds are being distributed according to your preferences. Adjust settings if anything isn't functioning as expected. Remember, offering clear instructions to your customers or team on how to use payment splitting can enhance usability significantly. Draft a simple guide or FAQ for users to follow. Finally, keep an eye on updates for your chosen app. Developers frequently make improvements and add features, so staying up to date can offer new functionalities and enhance security. Congratulations, you've now set up split payments on Shopify. Your customers and collaborators will appreciate the added flexibility, and your business will benefit from more organized financial management. Thank you for watching, and as always, if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.